In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Microsoft Excel Translator tool. Whether you're working with a multilingual team or managing data from various global sources, this tool can be invaluable in breaking down language barriers and enhancing your workflow efficiency. Let's dive right in and explore how easily you can translate text within your Excel spreadsheets using this feature. First, launch Microsoft Excel on your computer. With Excel open, identify the specific cell containing the text you wish to translate. Click on this cell to highlight it. This ensures that Excel knows which text you're working with. If you're dealing with a large spreadsheet, remember that you can use Excel's search function to quickly locate the text you need. Next, you'll want to open the Translator tool. This handy feature is conveniently located under the Review tab on the Excel ribbon. Navigate to the top of your Excel window, and you'll see various tabs running across the top. The Review tab is where we're headed, so go ahead and give it a click to open up a suite of options. Once there, look for the language group, and within it, you'll find the Translate option. Click on it, and you'll see a translator pane appear on the right side of your Excel window. The translator pane is your main hub for managing translations. Here, you'll notice two key fields, from and to. In most cases, the from box will automatically detect the source language of the text you've selected, which saves you the hassle of figuring it out on your own. This feature is especially useful when dealing with diverse datasets that might contain multiple languages. Now direct your attention to the to box. This is where you'll specify your target language, the language you'd like to translate your selected text into. For instance, if you're translating the text into Spanish, simply select Spanish from the drop-down menu. Excel supports a wide array of languages, so no matter what language you need, chances are it's available. Once your source and target languages are set, the rest is as simple as could be. The translator tool will automatically process your request and display the translated text in the pane. If you need to use this translated text elsewhere in your spreadsheet, you can easily copy it from the translator pane and paste it directly into any cell you choose. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've leveraged Excel's powerful translation capabilities to merge understanding across different languages seamlessly. Whether it's for business, study, or simple curiosity, this tool can significantly streamline multilingual tasks. Keep practicing, and soon using the Microsoft Excel Translator tool will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and happy translating.